sponsored a free one. You know already, my amigos and amigos, I love freebies. I love all the free. Okay, let's try. Okay, here. First taste is the noodles. I love it. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a food review because my amigos and amigas, I received for the first time a sponsored food that they want me to try and review it. It's a Kou Mian. It's a local noodles here in Singapore, you can say, because they give me, here it is my amigos and amigas, this is the plastic. I received this morning, but I got no time to eat this lunch because we have already a lunch at the hospital. By the way, my amigos and amigas, sorry about my looks because it just happened. I just finished working the late night. No makeup, messy hair, no lipstick, no powder. This is the real me, my amigos and amigas, so it's okay. So continue supporting me even though I look like this, okay? So my amigos and amigas, let me show you the sponsored Kou Mian noodles here in Singapore. Oh, sorry. Here, my amigos and amigas, it's in a bowl. Okay. So inside there's a dry noodles with a luncheon meat, fish, and veggie. Here, see, my amigos and amigas. It's really nice, right? And also a soup. I think this one is optional if you wanted to put there or no need, but it's okay. I will try it as too, my amigos and amigas. I mean, put the soup there, but I think no need because the noodles inside is already with savory flavor. Savory, I mean, it's wet already. I think no need. See the noodles inside? Yeah. So let's try, my amigos and amigas, this for the very first time. Sponsored food, and let's take a review and rate it, of course. By the way, my amigos and amigas, the person or the restaurant that sponsored me is the Stickies at Aljunied. This one, my amigos and amigas. This is the receipt and change 000. Means I did not pay anything, so I just receive it. I just choose if it's a dry or wet noodles, like that. Okay, so take the Kou Mini. Okay, so this one is mini, they said. Take away. So ready to try, my amigos and amigas? Let's do it. So let's try, my amigos and amigas, the Kou Mian. Here it is. Okay, get a spoon here. Okay, so for me, when I start, my amigos and amigas, I have to what's that? Mix it. I have to mix it. Okay, I have to think because I'm just out of work. Okay, so here, my amigos and amigas. By the way, like I told you a while ago, my amigos and amigas, no need for me to put the soup that I show it to you because look at the noodles, my amigos and amigas. It's very savory, wet already. Means I think it has already a flavor. Okay, so I'm just continue mixing it, my amigos and amigas. Yeah. So the inside, the mixture of it, this one have a fish cake, then luncheon meat, wow, so yummy, and also a shrimp. others is a fish. The other one is fish cake, and this one is a meat fish. Wait. Okay, here. And it's like an egg. This one is a egg, by the way, my amigos and amigas. Here. And of course, a little veggie here. It's my first time to try a noodles. No, first time to try a noodles here in Singapore. That is a sponsored, a free one. You know already, my amigos and amigas, I love freebies. I love all the free. Okay, let's try. Okay, here. First taste is the noodles. I love it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, my amigos and amigas, this Kou Mian has anchovies, or in Tagalog, dilis, by the way. Okay, here. Anchovies. Thank you so much, Stickies, for sponsoring me this Kou Mian. It's the shrimp. So the noodles very dark already. Yeah, I think no need for me to mix the soup a while ago that I show you. Almost finishing. My amigos and amigas, I finished the one bowl of Kou Mian. So time for review it, my amigos and amigas, and also rating. Okay, what can I say, my amigos and amigas? I love the noodles, by the way. Here, yeah. I cannot stop myself because I'm still trying to eat it. So yummy. A while ago there's a soup, right? I think that one is all part of the combo because I reviewed the receipt. It's a combo, it says. So a Kou Mian and a soup. I haven't tasted the soup, by the way, my amigos and amigas, but I'll just taste it and let me know the taste because first time, okay? So this is the soup. I put it in my small container. Here. Soup. I think this soup, my amigos and amigas, is nice. You can pair it with excuse me. Yummy, my amigos and amigas. I think this soup is very delicious and nice. It can pair it with a rice. But I'm already full, my amigos and amigas. I just taste it. Somehow the soup is like a it's like more on a tom yum. It's like a, which is a seafood flavor, like really nice. But I'm okay, I'm already full, so this one I can save it for another time to be paired with the rice, because I told you already, my amigos and amigas, I love rice as well. Okay, so this is the one that noticed me while taking this one is the noodles. It catches my attention, my amigos and amigas, because it's very savory, flavory, wet. Why wet? Because it's very dark in soy sauce, I can say. I don't know how to call that. Wet and also deliciously yummy. I like how they mix it with a little anchovies, by the way, because I'm so anchovies is my favorite too. I mean, they mix it there. Oh, it's a nice pair and deliciously yummy. And the way they cook the noodles, very soft texture, and also a little bit a fish meat. It's a nice combination overall. You can feel the very traditional, the delicacy of here in Singapore if you visit here. So Kou Mian, the best. It's my first time to taste it, but I can say it touches my heart already. It touches my tongue already, that I want to order again next time. So if you're gonna ask me, my amigos and amigas, my rating on this Kou Mian on my very first time on taking it, I mean eating it, is, I can say 10 out of 10. And I will definitely order one more time at Stickies. I will definitely order one more time at Stickies, my amigos and amigas, because really nice. And thank you for watching this video, my amigos and amigas. If you like this video about my food review on this Kou Mian that I eat and I finish all, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in a comment section box if you want to mention something or even to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me, and thank you very much for sponsoring me this Kou Mian. Bye. Sorry, by the way, to my looks, my amigos and amigas. I just finished working, so this is the actual look after I work. No makeup, no lipstick, no powder, it's just me. So thank you for supporting me always.